15th one, write a Python program to display formatted text with equal 50 as output. Okay. So format text, whatever you can text here, how long you can text, the width should be 50 here. Okay. So the width should be occupy just 50 here. Okay. So that's you have to get the output. The width equal 50 means the formatted text width should be 50 here output. Okay. Simple one. I already written this one with program. So here is a import text wrap. We have to use import text wrap module here. But import this module. This module contains fill method. In this fill method, first parameter is the text. Okay, what is the text you are passing? You have to write in first parameter, and second parameter is the width. You have to adjust the width. If you take how much width you can adjust on your own. Okay, just you can adjust width as much as you want. You can adjust width equal to 100 or 200, whatever it is. First parameter is the text you are passing. The second parameter is adjusting the width here. Okay, fill method. Okay, you can use fill method in the text of module. Simple. Observe the output. Execute the output now. See 50. Suppose if you want width is 70, not 50. Just execute the output here. See, observe the behavior. Just find the difference with here. Okay. So you have to use fill method. Okay. So to adjust the width on your text, you have to use fill method in the text wrap module. In text wrap module consists of fill method. You can adjust width there. Okay. Your text and width you can adjust there. Simple.